Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The links will be in the description. Now, we're going to get on with the first topic from Unit 2, Review of Verb Patterns. A verb pattern is the way two consecutive verbs are organized in a sentence. There are different types of verb patterns, and their form depends on the first verb in a sentence, meaning the first verb conditions the form of the second. Let's start with pattern A, which is formed with a verb plus an infinitive, and it is employed with verbs like afford, fail, hasten, learn, prepare, proceed, seek, and strive. Let's go through a few examples. Number 1. When I choose clothes, I tend to think of comfort first and appearance second. Number 2. I really strive to wear the latest styles and trends. So, I tend to think and strive to wear. Now it's time for pattern B, which is created with a verb plus an object plus an infinitive, and it is used with verbs like advise, allowed, authorize, cause, convince, encourage, instruct, permit, pursued, and urge. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. The salesperson convinced me to buy a dress I knew I didn't need. Number 2. Celebrities sometimes inspire me to change the way I look. So, convince me to buy and inspire me to change. Pattern C is next, and it is built with a verb plus a gerund, with verbs like can help, can see, can stand, enjoy, get through, keep on, mine, not mine, means, postpone, and risk. Let's go through a few examples. Number 1. I hate choosing my outfits in the morning. Number 2. I can't see paying high prices for clothes that will be out of style in a year. So, hate choosing, can't see paying. Now it's time for our last pattern, pattern C, which is formed with a verb plus an object plus a preposition plus a gerund or a noun, with verbs like blame, blame for, dissuade, dissuade from, forgive, forgive for, interest, interest in, keep, keep from, suspect, suspect of, and thank, thank for. Let's go through a few examples. Number 1. Can I interest you in going on a shopping spree with me? Number 2. High prices rarely prevent me from buying quality clothing. So, interest you in going and prevent me from buying. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.